recently spent a solid week with the GoWISE USA GW22633 2.75 cute digital air fryer red. And now I'm ready to break down everything you need to know: what it does, how it performs, whether it's worth your cash, and who it's really for. If you're watching the Reviewsinside TV channel, thanks for tuning in. Let's get right into it. Right out of the box, you see that this model is a compact air fryer with a 2.75 quart, roughly 2.6-liter basket, digital controls, and a recipe booklet with 50 recipes tailored for GoWISE air fryers. According to the manufacturer, it uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air so you can fry, bake, grill, and roast with little to no oil. The temperature range is from about 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and the timer goes from 1 to 30 minutes. The non-stick basket and pan are PFOA-free, and the handle is designed to remain cool to the touch with a button guard to prevent accidental detachment. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, plus an extra 60 days if you register from the brand. So that's the overview. Compact size, digital controls, quick air cooking instead of deep frying, and an included recipe book to get you started. Let's talk first about what pain points this model is trying to solve. If you're someone who wants fried-style food, but without the excess oil and calories, this aims to give you that crisp on the outside, tender on the inside texture using hot air rather than submerged oil. If your kitchen is smaller, or you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, the 2.75 quart size is pitched as being space efficient and more energy and time efficient than a full conventional oven. The digital controls also aim to remove guesswork. You pick a temperature, set the time, press start, and it shuts off automatically when done. The recipe book is aimed at helping you overcome the "what do I cook now" hesitation. So the features matter because without them, you'd have a regular oven or a deep fryer, and may not get the same convenience, speed, or perceived health benefit. In real-world usage, I found the setup was pretty straightforward. Unboxed the unit, removed packaging, washed the basket and pan with warm soapy water, dried thoroughly. Sliding the basket into the base is intuitive. The digital panel lit up quickly, and the plussed buttons on temperature and time were responsive. I tested it in a few scenarios. First, I tried frozen French fries, set to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes, shaking the basket at the halfway mark, important with these smaller units. The fries came out crisp enough on the exterior and soft inside, noticeably less oily than a conventional fry. Next, I tried chicken breast pieces, seasoning them light, set to 190 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes, turning halfway. The result was decent. Juicy inside, though the top surface browning wasn't quite matched to a grill or conventional oven broiler. Then I tried roasting vegetables, carrots, broccoli florets, a light olive oil drizzle, 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. That worked well. Slightly charred edges, good texture. One weakness, because of the compact volume, you cannot overload the basket. If you crowd it, airflow is restricted, and crispness suffers. I also found that when cooking something like a small steak or thicker piece of fish, the max 30-minute timer can be a slight limitation if you prefer longer, lower and slow cooking, though realistically for this size unit that's expected. The cool touch handle and button guard are nice touches. I had no issue with inadvertent detachment. Cleaning was relatively easy. The basket and pan are non-stick, though I recommend avoiding metal utensils to preserve the coating. Noise was acceptable, similar to other air fryers of this size, but the unit does emit a consistent fan noise when operating. Moving to strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, the compact size makes it ideal for 1 or 2-person households. It heats up quickly and genuinely delivers a fried feel with much less oil. The digital controls are easy to use and reasonably accurate, and the included recipe book helps remove intimidation for first-time users. The PFOA-free non-stick basket is a plus from a material safety standpoint, and the brand's guarantee and warranty offer added peace of mind. On the flip side, the 2.75 quart capacity is quite limited. If you have a family of 4, you'll likely find yourself doing 2 batches or choosing a larger appliance. Because of the size, you're constrained in portion flexibility. The maximum 30-minute timer and top temperature of 200 degrees Celsius may limit more advanced cooking techniques. Nothing wrong, just not quite as flexible as high-end ovens or larger multifunction air fryer ovens. Also, while it does a decent job, you won't get quite the same browning or texture as a dedicated deep fryer or a high-end convection oven with broiler mode. Some users might consider the cooking basket finish as less premium compared to stainless steel options, and heavy use over time might lead to wear and signs of coating degradation, though I have not experienced that yet. Some elements, such as the airflow and space around items, require you to pay attention and not overload the basket. That might feel like more effort versus tossing things into a regular oven. In terms of value for money, for a compact 2.75 quart digital air fryer with recipe book included, this model holds up reasonably well, especially if your usage is light or for smaller households. Comparable models from other brands may offer slightly larger capacity at similar price, or more presets, but may also cost more or lack the recipe book. If you compare it to, say, a 3.7 quart or 5 quart air fryer from a premium brand, you might find more capacity or bells and whistles for a modest increase in price. So the question is, do you need that extra capacity and features? If not, this GoWISE offers a good entry point. If you foresee cooking for more than two, or want advanced features like app connectivity, preset programs, larger basket, rotisserie, then spending a bit more on a higher tier model might deliver better value over time. When comparing this model with alternatives, one competitor might be a 3.7 quart model from the same brand, or another brand offering slightly more volume and similar temperature range. The extra capacity gives more flexibility for larger batches or cooking for more people at perhaps a slightly higher cost. Another alternative might be a multifunction air fryer oven, for example, a 5 quart to 7 quart size, which gives you not just air fry, but also rotisserie to dehydrating and baking in a larger footprint. Those demand more counter space and cost more, but deliver more versatility. In comparison, the GW22633 excels in compactness and simplicity. It falls short when judged by capacity or advanced function. So if your kitchen is small and your cooking needs modest, this model makes sense. But if you're a family of 4, the just slightly larger alternative may make more sense for the cost difference. On build quality and longevity, the overall construction feels solid for the price point. Plastic outer shell, metal interior basket, non-stick coating, cool touch handle, and safeguards for basket detachment. While I don't have years of use yet, the brand's warranty, 1 year plus extra days on registration, and availability of replacement parts, basket pan available, suggests the manufacturer expects normal home use to be reliable. That said, non-stick coatings always carry some risk of wear and tear over time, especially if utensils scratch them, or if overheated. Given the size and intended usage, this model should last a reasonable period if treated well. But as with all budget category appliances, you may not expect as long a lifespan as premium metal-bodied models. The brand, GoWISE USA, has generally good support in terms of parts availability, which is a positive signal. Speaking of support, I reached out to the manufacturer's support regarding shipping to UK/EU, given I'm based in UK, and received a typical response within 24 hours, indicating that while the unit is designed for US mains, 120 volts, I should check plug and safety standards if importing. The brand's policy shows 1 year warranty and parts support. In general, the brand has a decent reputation. For UK buyers, you'll need to verify voltage compatibility or consider a local version. My interaction was straightforward, no drama. If you're buying outside the US markets, then be aware of plug voltage issues. So in short, support is acceptable for this category. Because this product is a simple home appliance, not a smart connected device, there are no firmware or software updates to mention, so we skip that section. Here's the bottom line. The GoWISE USA GW22633 is a competent, compact digital air fryer that does what it claims. Healthier style frying with low to no oil, thanks to rapid air circulation. It's easy to use, includes a recipe book, and is especially suited for smaller households or occasional use. The key limitations are its modest 2.75 quart capacity and somewhat basic feature set compared to more premium options. If you often cook for two and want a simple countertop appliance that doesn't take up too much space and helps you eat a bit lighter, it's a solid choice. If you're regularly cooking for more people or want one appliance to handle everything, air fry, roast, bake bulk food, maybe rotisserie, then you might get better value by stretching to a larger or more feature-rich model. Overall, it fulfills its purpose and does so reliably, so I'd recommend it for smaller scale use. Thanks for watching Reviews Inside TV. If you already own this air fryer, leave your thoughts or questions in the comment box below. The link to get the product is in the comments section. Goodbye till next time, happy cooking, and stay tuned with Reviews Inside TV.